I'm so ready for this, you guys have no idea. Hi guys, this is Ruby. Okay, so I have just came back from my first ever paid collaboration shoot. So firstly, I'm gonna remove all of my makeup. Okay, so starting with this is extra virgin coconut oil. I'm gonna use it so that all of my makeup gets melt. Yeah, so let's start. Let me just put it all over my face. Now just massage it all over the face, and you will start noticing that the makeup is getting melt. Also, I'm removing my lipstick. Okay, so now I'm done massaging the oil all over my face and most of my makeup has melted. So now let me just use a wet wipe. Yeah, just remove all the oils from my face. Cleansing, I will always recommend you guys to do double cleansing. It is very important because sometimes washing your face with just face wash and water is not enough. It's important to clean your face deeply so that all the makeup gets removed out of your skin. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go and wash my face with face wash and water and I'll be back, okay? Okay, so I'm done washing my face with 2.5% benzoyl peroxide paste as my face tends to get breakouts quite too oftenly. Yeah, so let's get to the next step. So the first step of my night skincare routine is using a 5% niacinamide and 1% alpha protein serum. This one is from Dermaco. I have also used the Dot & Key one, 10% niacinamide, but it wasn't that effective like this one. Okay, so the first step is done, but before going on to the next step, I'm gonna wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the serum gets absorbed into my skin well. Okay, so till then we can do a bit of talk. I would like to share my today's first collaboration shoot experience. It was really good. The owner of the showroom where I went for the collaboration shoot was so nice to me. He was so sweet. Also, all the salesmen who was present there was like completely helping me for wearing all the jewelries, necklaces, rings, and like everything. They were very sweet. Also, in between the shoot, like they were offering me some kind of like refreshments like kaju, badam, and like these things. Also, like they were asking me if I would like to have a cup of tea, but I said no, I'm okay because when I eat, I just eat. I cannot focus on anything else. So I just avoid eating any kind of stuff in between my shoot. So yeah, it was very good. I went there with my elder sister. Like she did all of the stuff, like from shooting to posing. Like she told me everything and I followed what she said, and yeah, it was really fun. Okay, so let's just move on to our next step, which is applying toner. This one is from Hyphen and it's really good. Earlier I have also used the Mochi Tony Moly toner. It was also good, but after using that toner, I went for this one because I thought like, why not try something else? And I really found it very good and hydrating. You know what? When I went there, like on the showroom, I wasn't that nervous, I would say. But eventually, when everybody was looking at me, like I was doing the poses and everything, and each one of them like looking at me like this. And I got so nervous like for a while, but then I said like, no Ruby, you are the model, okay, so you don't have to worry about anything else, okay. So I just let them watch me doing all the poses and everything. Okay, so lastly I'm gonna use the best moisturizer of all. This one is Bioderma Atoderm moisturizer. I have like listened so many reviews like this is a great moisturizer. Like even in winters, I feel like this was the best moisturizer because it feels quite oily on the face. I would not recommend this moisturizer for the people who have kind of oily skin, but my skin is like a complete dry Sahara desert, so this works best for me. Let's put this on. My elder sister always says that Ruby, you should use less amount of this because it's quite oily, but I just do the opposite all the time. I use quite too much of the quantity and then I just end up like feeling too oily. But eventually the skin absorbs the moisture and you don't feel that much like oily. Yeah, so let me just apply it all over my face. Lastly, I'm gonna apply this lip balm. This one is from Wishcare. Actually, I've emptied all of the lip balms. So I'm just going to take out from the container and just apply it all over the lips. Okay, so this was all my 3-step basic night skincare routine. Hope you like it. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, love you. Bye bye.